Have you ever heard of an airplane powered by rubber band? Yes, don't doubt. This video can meet your curiosity and let you witness the miracle. You can also have a try to make it step by step by yourself or complete it with your partners together. Above all, it can help you to train your hands-on ability and coordination skills during the whole creative process. We look forward to flying in the sky like a bird, so we continuously imagine to bring a pair of wings with ourselves to fly. The glider is an aircraft that is created and transformed by us. Do you know how the aviator controls the flight direction of the airplane when they fly in the sky? At this time, we need a special instrument to help the aviator to confirm the current flight direction. Airplane shows different flight attitudes in the sky. The flight attitude determines the direction of the airplane. Thus, the indicator appears, which can help the airplane to fly accurately in the air. Have you ever seen the old propeller airplane? The old propeller airplane is powered by hand to fly. Now, we can make an old propeller airplane with rubber bands instead of oil and engine. In the summer, before the heavy rain comes, the dragonflies will make into groups and fly into the sky. There's a magic toy, it can fly in the sky and looks like the dragonfly. It's bamboo copter. The flapping for the wing of birds helps them fly in the air. The plane, as a very important modern means of transportation, whose wings cannot flap like a bird. But how does it fly freely in the sky? Let's find the answer. Without the expensive materials and special places, an ordinary paper can be made into all kinds of the airplane. Whether indoors or outdoors, children will be able to use paper airplanes to enjoy themselves.